What you doing, Lily Bell? You gonna eat your piggy toes for us again? I see a piggy toe. Is that good? Is that piggy toe good? Yeah. So yeah, Mommy, it's pretty good. No, buddy. You are naked, baby. Are you our little naked baby? Yes. Is that toe good?
How flexible I am, Mommy.
Listen to her suck on it. So disgusting. Good thing we give you a... Ew, listen to her like chow down. Good thing we give you a bath every day. Good thing we give you a bath every day, Sweet Pea. Alright, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye.